Good afternoon students, how are you? This is Shika Arora in front of you and today we will do revision test paper, that is November going to be, it's a revision for this. So, we have active and passive. Firstly we will do, let's do with me. Myra paid the bills. Have they left the apartment? She is disturbing Dinesh. Will you mop the floor? Vidhi had not received the parcel. So, here we go. Very good afternoon students. So, please write in comment box. Very good students are going to write. Okay. Chaliye, we should start. Yes. Sneha, good afternoon. Yes, Ravina, the bills are paid by Myra. The bills, Srishti, bills were paid by Myra. So, students are getting confused here. Either we should use are and were. Makes answer. I am getting yes. So, Myra paid the bills. It's a second form. It's a second form. Myra ने bill pay किया था. So, second form is there, of course, we will use was or were. So, what should be there? The bills, it is a S. So, were paid by Myra. Is it? We remember that in active passive was, were, third form, be plus third form, be can come in any form, either is, am, or was, were, been, or be will come itself. The bills were paid by Myra. Very good. Next we have they left the apartment? Yes students. Next answer. Has the apartment been left by them? Ravina. Very good. Yes. Any other students? Excellent. It's the question one. So, we will make question also. So, what is our object? The apartment. The apartment, okay, it's a singular, so has the apartment been left by them, and question mark should be there. Parul, has the apartment been left by them? Correct? Very good. Okay, next we have she is disturbing Dinesh. She is disturbing Dinesh. Yes. Students are giving answer. Yeah. Dinesh. Dinesh, it is object. Dinesh is ing converted into being. Dinesh is being disturbed by, she changed into her. Yes, Dinesh is being disturbed by her. Very good Parul. Nitika, excellent, good. Next we have, will you mop the floor? Will you mop the floor? So, again it is a question one, we will make it question. Yes, how will we use? What is object here? the floor. The floor. We have to make a question one, helping verb will. So, will the floor, will is not a form of be, be would come itself. Will the floor be, third form, mopped by you? And we have to put question mark, because in active passive question sentences change into passive question sentences. Okay. Next we have Vidhi had not received the parcel. Vidhi had not received the parcel. Vidhi, it is subject here, parcel, it is object here. So, the parcel had not been received by Vidhi. Is it? The parcel had not been received by Vidhi. Okay, so next what we have? Okay. We have, okay, passive to active. Good. Okay, next we have passive to active. Okay, now we have to change passive into active. Earlier we did active into passive, now we will do passive to active. So, what is this? An article has not been written by Radhika. An article hasn't been written by Radhika. Next. I was being washed. I was being washed by her. Next we have 50,000 had been paid by me. Were you recognized by her? Yes. Were you recognized by her? Yes, students. Okay, hurry up. These are passive sentences and we have to change this in active. Okay, first, an article hasn't been written by Radhika. So, here answer comes. Okay, yes, Radhika, very good. Radhika hasn't. Radhika has not written. बी हम पैसिव में करते हैं, बी को कट कर देंगे. बाय sorry Radhika has not written an article. Radhika has not written an article. राधिका ने आर्टिकल नहीं लिखा है. राधिका hasn't written an article. Next, I was being washed by her. So, her change into she. Okay. So, it's a was being plus this convert into watching. She was watching by me. Oh no, she was watching me, sorry. She was watching me. It's a habit only, quickly. She was watching me. Yes, next we have by change into I. Okay, and had been paid, been would come. I had paid. So, what is this? I had paid. Excellent, very good. 50,000. I had had paid 50,000. Were you recognized by her? Yes. Very good students. Giving reply very quickly. Excellent. So, the last one, were you recognized by her? Yes. She recognized you, Ravina. No, it's a question one. Question one. Was she recognized you? No. Question should be there. See, was, were, third form where we use when we are talking about a past indefinite, and in past indefinite how we ask question? Did से question पूछते हैं ना, did से, did should be there. I am asking क्या तुमने चाय पी थी? Did you take tea? Did you take tea? Was tea? Yeah, was tea taken by you? So here we will use did. Did. Her change into she. Did she recognize you? Question mark. Did she recognize you? Is it clear? Did she recognize you? Yes. Recognize, no Nupur, no. When we are using did, we use first form of the verb, because did is already second form and it's a grammar rule. Two second form cannot come together without comma, without full stop, without any conjunction. Okay. So, without all these things, two second form cannot come together in one sentence. If any comma is there, if any conjunction is there, recognize nahi, recognize. Yes. Past continuous also changing in same way. Yeah, past continuous also changing in same way, because past continuous, what is the rule of past continuous? This is not past continuous. Here you will not find ing. यहाँ पर ing नहीं है. This is a past indefinite. It is a past indefinite. Okay. In past indefinite, we use second form. I am saying I taught you this topic earlier. I taught you this topic earlier. This is a past indefinite. When I am saying I was teaching you this topic, I was teaching you this topic, this is past continuous. So, in past continuous, एक्टिव में भी हम was वर ing यूज करते हैं. I was teaching you. So, you were being taught by me. Okay, and I said I taught you. I taught you. You were taught by me. You were taught by me. You were being taught by me. So, in past indefinite we use second form, in past continuous we use was were ing, and when we change active into passive, so past indefinite change into was were third form and past continuous change into was were being third form. Is it clear? Excellent, very good Srishti. So, that is why dear, here we had ing, but here we do not have. Chaliye, very good. Okay, so next, shall we go ahead? Excellent, good. Okay, we have direct and indirect speech. Okay. So, it is a sentences into indirect speech. Okay, we are to change into indirect speech. Change the sentences into indirect speech. Okay. So, first we have Rahul asked me, did you see the cricket match on TV last night? Did you see the cricket match on TV last night? James said to his mother, I'm leaving for New York. It's New York tomorrow. Next we have, I said to him, why don't you work hard? Next we have, he said to her, what a hot day. Next we have, the priest said, be quiet and listen to my words. This is. So, shall we start? Okay. These are the narration SON 1, 2, 3. First person change according to subject, second person according to object, and third person no change. Yes. Remember all the rules. Yes. Please students tell. Shall we start? Yes. So, Rahul asked me. Okay. This is the same. Rahul asked me. Okay, after that what do I do? Rahul asked to me. No. Ask के साथ कभी भी to नहीं लगता है. Rahul asked me in question, it is not there. So Ravina, please don't put. Okay. Inverted commas को हटाकर if we have put, it is a question one. In voice we were doing if active is in question, we are going to change in question, है ना. Question mark interrogative में रहता है, but in this narration we change, we make it a simple sentence. Okay. So you, I make you remember the rule SON 1, 2, 3. So you it's a second person object के according change होगा. We have the object me here, शाबाश, so we will change I. Okay, did. What is this? अभी हमने discuss किया. It's a past indefinite. Past indefinite change into past perfect. So what is past perfect? Had plus third form. So if I had seen the cricket match on TV last night, change into the previous night. And after that it's a full stop, no question mark. It's a full stop, no question mark. Rahul asked me if I had seen the cricket match on TV. Yes, the previous night. Is it clear? Very good. Parul, Lovepreet, good. I hope it's clear. Yes, next. James said to his mother, I am leaving for New York tomorrow. अभी वो क्या कर रहा है? वो क्वेश्चन कर रहा है? बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रहा है ना. James said to his mother, जेम्स ने अपनी मम्मी को कहा था, I am leaving for New York tomorrow. कल ना मैं न्यूयॉर्क के लिए जा रहा हूँ. That's a very simple. बता रहा है. He just telling. So it's a second form. James said to change into told. जेम्स टोल्ड हिज मदर, ठीक है, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, तो दैट लगेगा, है ना, वी विल चेंज इनटू दैट. वेरी गुड. सो आई इज अ फर्स्ट पर्सन चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट, तो सब्जेक्ट हमारा क्या है, जेम्स. ओके, सो ही. Okay, and what is this, am leaving? It is a present continuous change into past continuous. So he was leaving for New York. Yes, he was leaving for New York. Tomorrow, no, tomorrow will change. Yes, किसमें change होगा? Good, Parul, the next day. शाबाश. The next day. After that, full stop. Said to change into told. Okay, I, he, present continuous, past continuous, and tomorrow change into the next day. Okay. Excellent. Okay, next we have, I said to him, why don't you work hard? अभी why don't you work hard? तो मेहनत क्यों नहीं करते हो? What is this? This is a question. एक question पूछा गया है. Okay, and we have the question mark also. So I here said to change into asked. I asked him. Okay, when we have WH family, then we don't put, हम यहाँ कुछ नहीं लगाते हैं, no that, no if, no to. Yes, so why का why रहेगा. Okay, because we have to remove this question mark, so we will not use helping verb here we use subject. ठीक है, you, it's a second person, change according to object है him. So why he. Yes, why he. Do not, it's a present indefinite negative. Present indefinite negative. Present indefinite change into past indefinite, negative ही रहेगा, तो do not, did not. Why he didn't work hard, and full stop. Why he didn't work hard? I asked him why he didn't work hard. Next, he said to her, what a hot day. He said to her, what a hot day, कितनी गर्मी है. And we have the exclamation sign also. Yes, tell. He exclaimed. Is it? Yes, students, he exclaimed that. That we have to make it a simple only. It was a hot day. Full stop. Yeah, said, exclaimed. It's a second form, तो अंदर से second form में change होगा. He exclaimed that it was a hot day. Next we have, the priest said, be quiet and listen to my words. Good. Be quiet and listen to my words. Yes. The priest urged means force किया. Urged. The priest urged them to, it's a imperative sentences, to be quiet. Yes, very good. To be quiet and to listen to his words. After that, full stop. Urged. Ordered नहीं, priest order नहीं कर रहा. He just emphasizing, वो अपनी बात पर थोड़ा जोर देकर कह रहा है. Order नहीं, order तो commander करते हैं या like that. Boss, not like order. It is not like order. Okay. We will not use order word. Urged, एक focus देकर कहना, एक जोर देकर कहना. So the priest urged them to be quiet and to listen to his words. Okay. So next we have, now we have sentences. Change the following sentences into direct speech. Very good. Yes, now we have direct speech. In exam, in any form can come. Active into passive, passive into active, direct to indirect, indirect to direct. So, we are doing the practice in every manner. Okay, next we have, his father says that honesty is the best policy. Next we have, he inquired whether his name was Khalid. Raj said he was teaching English online. The father wants his son that he should beware of him. Yes. Okay, students, you are ready. Very good, excellent. Okay, his father says honesty is the best policy. Very good. His father says, comma, it's a universal truth, so no change inside. Honesty is the best policy, as it is, inverted comma, clause. Is it? Next we have, he inquired whether his name was Khalid. How we use? It's a question. It's a question, whether या if, कुछ भी लग सकता है, whether या if. When we are just removing, हम if use कर रहे हैं, we can use whether also. That is also in the same sense. So he asked him. His है ना? तो he asked him. Comma, inverted comma. अभी was तो is. He asked him, is his name, is your name Khalid? Question mark. No, does नहीं, does क्यों आएगा? Does तो कभी भी नहीं आता. Do, does we use with action. Action, कोई काम होता दिखाई देता है. Can I ask like this? Do you सृष्टि गोयल? हम ऐसा नहीं पूछ सकते ना. कैसे पूछते हैं? Are you सृष्टि गोयल? Yes. We can't say did she Sita? No. Was she Sita? She was Sita. I am Shikha Arora. You are Ram. Is it? So we can't use do, does, did. These are the tenses and we use this with only verb. Verb means action, जिसमें कोई काम होता दिखाई दे रहा है. And these are the name. We never use with name do, does, did. We always use ism or was were. Any be form we use because it's a non-action. इसमें कोई काम होता दिखाई नहीं देता. With any name, okay, and with any profession. I am a teacher. Do you teacher? नहीं. Are you teacher? Were you teacher? Okay, with name, with profession and with any relation. You are my student, she is my sister, is she your sister? यहाँ भी do does नहीं आता है. Okay, so name, profession, relation, quality. Are you intelligent? Were you intelligent? Quality and condition. Are you happy? I am happy, she said. So these 5 things: name, profession, relation, condition and quality comes in non-action, and with non-action we use is, them, are, was, were. be की form use करते हैं, do, does, did नहीं use करते. Is it clear now why we are not using here does? Srishti, excellent, shabash, very good students. Okay, next we have Raj said he was teaching English online. Yeah, hurry up, give answer. It's a very easy. देखिए, Raj said. Okay, comma inverted comma अभी ही है. That is only. Okay, क्योंकि यहाँ भी थर्ड पर्सन की तरह यूज हुआ है ना, तो I am teaching English online. That is only. I am teaching English online. Excellent, बिल्कुल simple. Next, the father warned his son that he should be beware of him. अभी father ने warn किया है. Okay. So as it is, this is the father warned his son. ठीक है, यहाँ तक सेम that है, इसका मतलब यहाँ inverted comma है. He should be beware of him. So beware of me. मुझसे बच के रहो. Beware of, अभी him, okay, him father के लिए यूज हुआ है. Beware of him. Sorry, beware of me. हाँ, क्योंकि फादर तो यही कह रहा है, beware of me, मुझसे बच के रहो. Beware of me. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. चलिए. Said I am teaching. Yes. Okay, we are just doing next topic. Please revise all the rules of narration also. Good. Chलिए, next we have vocabulary. Okay, we should start vocabulary. Well, or okay, option you have nervousness, fearlessness, energetic. Okay, second we have enigmatic, that is respectable, mysterious, widespread, clever. Inconclusive, we have conclusive, indecisive. Okay, conclusion, decision. Next we have consternation, option alert, celebration, attraction, dismay. The last one we have ignominy. It's a ignominy, attraction, enmity, assistance and disgrace. Okay. So in the following question, out of the 4 alternatives, select the one which best expresses the best meaning of the given word. Means synonyms we have to tell. Okay, chaliye let's we start. What is valor? Valor. The meaning of valor. The meaning of valor is brave, bahadur. So we have first answer, that is a brave ka same meaning nervousness? No. Cowardice? No. Energetic? No. It's a fearlessness. Bina dar ke. Bina dar ke, the same meaning we have. Next we have enigmatic. Enigmatic. What do you mean by enigmatic? Enigmatic, yeah. Enigmatic, rahasyamayy, mysterious. We have mysterious, we don't have respectable, widespread, no. Clever, no. Okay. Widespread, what do you mean by widespread? Large level पर, large scale पर, है ना? Respectable, respect करने योग्य, है ना? And clever, you know. Next is inconclusive. Inconclusive. अभी देखिए inconclusive का conclusive तो हो ही नहीं सकता है ना? It's not. What do you mean by inconclusive? जो किसी conclusion पर नहीं है, जो किसी conclusion पर नहीं है, inconclusive, है ना? In dilemma, dilemma, दुविधा में है. So conclusion we don't have, decision we don't have, so indecisive we have. Is it? Yes. Next we have consternation. What do you mean by this? Consternation. Yes, yes, very good. Consternation means panic, है ना? आप पैनिक हैं, आप दुखी हैं, आप कोई पैनिक है, कोई डर है. We have the consternation of COVID-19. Of course, we have consternation. एक आतंक है इस चीज़ का. एक we are just so panic. So alert, no. Celebration, no. Attraction, no. Dismay, yes, we have the dismay. Dismay means एक तरह की बेचैनी है. We are also so panic in that sense. Next we have ignominy. Ignominy, yes, ignominy. What do you mean by ignominy? Ignominy क्या है? क्या ignominy भाई? Ignominy, disgrace, एक बदनामी, है ना? Insult. So attraction, no. Enmity क्या होता है? दुश्मनी, no. Assistance, किसी को assist करना, no. Disgrace, yes. It is disgrace, yes. बदनामी लेकर आना, anything. I hope it's clear for you. Good. Okay. Next we have heckle. Embarrass, highlight, cheer, harass. Adamant, glittering, unique, unwilling, flexible. Lackadaisical, yes, it is enthusiastic, slothful, enervated, apathetic. Next we have obscene, it's a indecent, derogatory, offensive, complimentary. Next we have obdurate, empathetic, inconsiderate, heedless, virulent. These are, what we have to tell. In the following question, out of the 4 alternatives, select the one which is opposite. It is opposite in the meaning. Okay. So what is heckle? Heckle क्या है? Heckle means interrupt with aggressive comment. किसी को अपने सवालों से तंग करना. Okay. So interrupt with aggressive comment. Interrupt with aggressive comment. तंग करना. So embarrass, no. Highlight, no. Harass, no. It's a cheer. किसी को तंग करना, किसी को खुश करना. It's a cheer. Is it? Next we have adamant. Adamant, yes. अपनी बात पर adamant, एक अटल रहना. Adamant, अड़ गई उस बात पर, है ना. Adamant. So it is glittering, no. Unique, no. Unwilling, no. Flexible, correct. Flexible, that is flexible. Adamant, अड़ गई अपनी बात पर. Flexible is that. Next we have lackadaisical. It's a lackadaisical. What do you mean by lackadaisical? Lackadaisical, क्या होता है lackadaisical? The meaning of lackadaisical is careless or lazy. So we have apathetic, no. Enervated, no. Slothful, no. Slothful तो बहुत आलसी होता है. Enthusiastic, जोशीला. एक lazy है, एक आलसी है, एक enthusiastic, जोश से भरा हुआ है. Okay. Next we have obscene. It's a obscene. The meaning of obscene is disgusting. It's a disgusting. Yes, give answer please. What should be the correct answer here? No. See, indecent, what is indecent? Immoral. So immoral, no. obscene मीन्स बहुत गंदा है ना, obscene मीन्स बहुत गंदा, सो immoral नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज derogatory. derogatory होता है praiseful, तारीफ योग्य. नो. offensive and complimentary. offensive no. complimentary. disgusting, complimentary, opposite. Yes. Next we have obdurate. It's a obdurate. Obdurate is also like adamant. It is also like stubborn, jiddi. So the meaning is that, yeah, virulent. It's a poisonous, vishala, जहरीला we can say. Heedless, inattentive, असावधान, जो किसी चीज़ पर ध्यान नहीं देता है. इनकॉन्सिडरेट मीन्स इनक्यूरियस, अविवेकी, जो क्यूरियस नहीं है किसी चीज़ को जानने के लिए. ओके. बट एम्फैथेटिक मीन्स सेंसिटिव और अंडरस्टैंडेबल. सो दिस इज ऑब्ड्यूरेट, स्टबर्न, जिद्दी, बस जिद कर ली, एक है ना हठी या जिद्दी. He is an obdurate child, stubborn child and emphatic, understanding child है, sensitive child है, समझता है बातों को. तो we have this one. Okay, so we have done this also. I hope you understand. We have done active into passive, passive into active, direct into indirect speech, indirect into direct speech, and here vocabulary. Firstly we did the synonyms and this one we have done the antonyms. So next we have reading comprehension. So students, do you have this question paper? It is yes or no, you tell me. If you have, then we start comprehension passage also. Please give me reply. Yes, excellent. Thank you, Parul. Reading comprehension. So, okay, very good, excellent. So, please read out. आप खुद read कीजिए. My father, Janab Avul Pakir. Yeah. You just read out. Gave me a lesson when I was a young boy. What was that lesson? My father was elected the President of Rameshwaram Panchayat Board. I was at that time studying in school. Quickly read out. Now you have to note the time also, please, because when we appear exam, so time also plays a vital role. चलिए फटाफट से read कीजिए, then we will discuss questions. You read, I also read. Yes, I hope you read out. So, what is the answer of first question? Why did the boy's father get angry over him? Why did the boy's father get angry over him? Boy के पापा उससे नाराज क्यों थे? Please. Yes. The boy was disobedient? No, boy was not disobedient. The boy answered back? No, it is not shown here. द बॉय एग्रीड टू कीप गिफ्ट्स विदाउट फादर परमिशन. यस, उस बॉय ने पिताजी की परमिशन के बिना गिफ्ट को रख लिया था. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. यस. नेक्स्ट, what according to the passage is like touching a snake and getting poison in return? Yes, what according to the passage is like touching a snake getting poison in return? क्या है पैसेज में कि उसको टच करना स्नेक को और बिना स्नेक को टच किए उसका जहर लेना. एक्सेप्टिंग गिफ्ट्स? नो. Accepting order? No. Accepting God's way of doing things? No. Accepting gifts offered with some hidden purpose? कोई किसी और रीज़न के लिए गिफ्ट देकर जा रहा है. ये उसी तरह है कि स्नेक को टच किए बिना उसका जहर ले लेना. वेरी गुड. Next, which line in the passage shows that the boy and his family belong to an era where basic facilities were not available? He was studying in Russian kerosene lamps as there was no electricity. He was studying loudly. His father used to wear dhotis. The family used to receive costly gifts. नहीं, वो राशन मतलब केरोसिन मिट्टी के तेल की रोशनी में पड़ रहा था. So this shows that they were living in that era where no facilities was available. Now you people study in kerosene light. Do you? No, of course no. You have a lot of facilities. You are so lucky people. Next, select the option that can be suitable title for the passage. The divine gift, the gift of gab. The gift of gab, what is this? This is an idiom. एक idiom है. क्या है the gift of gab? I have told you 1, 2, 3 times. पहले मुझे the gift of gab का meaning बताइए. Okay, what is the gift of gab? Do you have gift of gab? I have gift of gab. The gift of gab, it's a skill of speaking by God. बोलने की कला का जो गिफ्ट है उसे गिफ्ट ऑफ गैप कहते हैं. Yes. चलिए, accept gift in good spirit, never take gifts. Accept gift in good spirit, ना, गुड स्पिरिट से कुछ गिफ्ट लेना, एक्सेप्ट करना. इट कैन बी टाइटल. व्हाट इज द मेन थीम ऑफ द पैसेज? ओके, फादर ऑलवेज लव देयर चिल्ड्रन. नो, दिस इज नॉट द थीम. एक्सेप्टिंग गिफ्ट्स इज फन. वी शुड स्टडी लाउडली. नो, अ लेसन लर्नड बाय द ऑथर एज अ बॉय बाय हिज फादर. व्हाट इज द मेन थीम? कि पिता ने उसे एक लेसन सिखाया, उसे एक पाठ दिया जिंदगी का जिसे वो हमेशा याद रखेगा. ओके, मीन्स gift in a wrong purpose is always wrong and we shouldn't accept that gift. It is like without touching snake getting poison. I hope it is clear and it's very easy also. Come on, next one. In super bazaars in Delhi, the prospective buyer expects, hurry up, you study, I am also studying. Hurry up students, please. Okay, shall we start? Yes. Find the word from the passage that means inflated. The correct answer is yes, yes. Where is this the meaning? Find out. First answer, please find out. What do you mean by inflated? Inflated किसी चीज़ को फुलाना है ना, किसी चीज़ को फुलाना. And we had the one word here, that is therefore he begins by demanding an exorbitant price. Exorbitant price means बहुत तेजी से बढ़ जाना, अत्यधिक. So we have the first B. What does the phrase incredulous stare mean? Incredulous stare mean? Credulous, that is believable, and incredulous, unbelievable. Stare, घूरना, look, unbelievable, look. Which of the following is true according to the passage? The manager of the super bazaar makes the goods with his team members. The manager is supplied the goods by the manufacturers. Yes. The manager is supplied the goods by the wholesaler dealer. Yes. So both B and C. So we have D option correct. First B, second D, third D. Fourth, the final price at which a product is sold depends on the final price at which a product is sold. The raw material? No, the existing condition of supply and demand. Yes, supply or demand की condition पर. तो fourth का B answer. Fourth B. What does the buyer do in case he finds the price of a product higher? According to this paragraph, you have to tell. What does the buyer do? Buyer क्या करते हैं in case he finds the price of a product is higher? Okay, he insults the shopkeeper? No. He tries to buy two products? No. He respects the shopkeeper and gets ready to purchase? No. He shrugs his soldierly. Oh, itna mehenga, it's so costly. They shrug their soldier and leaves. So fifth A. Is it? Fifth A. Okay, students, it is high time. So I am giving you homework. I will ask this, we will discuss this in classroom, and that is note making. We have the two paragraphs of note making here, note making and passive writing. These are your homeworks, note making and passive writing. You have to read and you have to make a notes of that, so that quickly we would be able to do here, and passive writing also. I hope you will do this. Okay, so it is enough for today. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.